Monday around 7 o'clock, and police here in Berlin have something with me. I don't know what, but I feel it because where I sleep, I have salt, I have cover, I have no sleeping, and was taken. And after when I see is taken everything, the police pass the street and start loud, ha ha ha, like this. I don't know what's going on here. I don't want to say the police here in Berlin is racist. I don't want to say it. But it's a second time who want to do bad thing with me. I don't have nothing with Berlin police, and I want same Berlin police don't have nothing with me because I have right, yeah. I'm Romanian and I have same right like a Dutch. And I post this video everywhere in case it happen something with me. Maybe put me for nothing in jail, or maybe put someone to fight me, or I don't know. I post this video today, and I don't know what's happened, what's going on. I'm not feeling safe here. The people, everybody helped me, but the police, I don't know what happened with me. Look, it follow me. You see this all the day. What I have all the day, and the traffic, the drug dealer sell drugs everywhere, and follow me. The police here in Berlin. Yeah, I post this video today. Yeah, please share it and help me.